Hi, my name is Brian Grenon. I'm a senior technical analyst for RAVE LLC, and I have attended the eBeam initiative this year, and one of the interesting presentations was a survey that was done with respect to where eBeam technology will fit in advanced technology lithography. And in the survey, there were three specific slides that I'd like to comment on. And the first one is when will multi-beam eBeam technology be effectively used either in wafer writing or mass technology? Some people still don't believe that it will ever come to fruition, but when you really look at the need for write times and increased write times, what we're starting to see is that a significant number of people over the last year feel that multi-beam technology will most likely be used for mask writing. My opinion is that it's not an option, it's really going to be a necessity, particularly if we want to keep masks cost-effective and turnaround time short. One of the other interesting slides presented in the survey were what are the expectations of write times for 10 nanometer technology. In the survey, a lot of people feel that if we use the best variable shape beam systems, that many of the write times are going to be in excess of 24 hours. Actually, today, write times are some of the critical levels exceed 24 hours. Historically, if you look at eBeam pattern generation, the mask makers like to keep write times in the area of 8 hours or less. The interesting thing about the survey shows that people believe that multi-beam will significantly reduce write times and get them near or slightly larger than that 8-hour window. Another question that was asked in the survey, which I found was interesting, and this one comes about every 4 to 5 years, is do the mask makers need to go to larger glass? And typically the sizes are 9-inch. And this year, one of the things that's come forward is, should we look at 12-inch glass? And interestingly enough, there are some people in the survey that believe that 12-inch or 8-inch or larger glass will be a possibility. Well, almost 40% of the people said never. I'm part of that 40%. And the question really becomes, if you look at what's going on in lithography today, there's a significant amount of funding and resources being spent on 450 millimeter wafers and also EUV, and the question becomes, can the mask shops really afford to increase to larger glasses? If they do, what it's going to do is create the billion-dollar mask shop, and few people can really afford that. What I'd like to do is encourage everyone to go to the eBeam initiative website and look at the complete survey, and I think you'll find it interesting because I think a lot of the technologists that are part of the consortium or the initiative have expressed clear and concise views as to where they think lithography will go.